So guys, this is Shivansh. You are watching Techsonish, and last video is the fourth part of a video pick your trip project, and this is the fifth part of a pick your trip project. So in last video, I'm creating the footer, and the part of a footer, this part of a footer is created, and now I'm adjust the text of this tag. So I'm just going back to code editor and Visual Studio, inside a B class. So first lot I'm showing you like B class. This is my B class, line number 86. Inside I write a P tag, and inside the P tag I'm write some text. So I'm just pass the width of the P tag is a 600 pixel. Okay, and this is a 600 pixel, and now I just want to pass a height is a fix actually, so I'm just pass the minimum height, min. Minimum height is a 500 pixel, and rest of it's adjustable. Okay, this is your minimum height. Okay, perfect. Okay, width is a 600, and now I want to update it as a 800 and check how to it's showing. Okay, it's a 800. It's not perfect. I just want to pass a 740. Okay, 740 pixel is a perfect. It give you a perfect padding and all. Okay, text align, text align is a left, text align is a left. Okay, and okay, perfect. With font size is a 50, is a 20 pixel actually. Okay, and font family. The font family is a where is the font family? I think I'm already past the font family. Where is the font family? Okay, just go and search your Google font. I think this is your Google font. This is your Google font Poppins. Copy it. Go to your body. Inside the body, font family is Poppins, and font size is a 25 pixel. Okay, and now size is a 20 pixel. This is the whisper. Okay, perfect. This is your about part. Okay, actually here is a padding and margin. So now I want to pass a margin in a B class. Inside the B in a P tag, margin left. Margin left is 50 pixel. Okay, first check the B class, not a pass, I am not pass any margin, so just copy it. Okay, the reason is this, why this the margin left is not applicable. Now you can see when you pass the semicolon, so your margin left is perfectly work on a P tag. Okay, perfect. I think this is a perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now I want to create this section. Basically this section is a okay, here you can check a horizontal one. So now I just want to pass a HR. After the video I'm just write a HR, or check the HR tag. This is a HR. With the help of HR tag, I'm passing a horizontal line, and same for this. after the image, before the div closing, I'm just pass a HR tag. Basically it's help you to pass a horizontal line before a about. Perfect. Okay, theme designation, and I'm just pass the every column after the before the closing the call HR, and pass the HR. Okay, and next is a HR. Here is a HR tag. So basically ये हमारे को दो लाइन में अभी वो दे चुका है horizontal line. And now I want to create themed based designation. So basically themed based designation, it's li. Okay, so I just want to create a UL tag here. Okay, inside the theme designations I just want to create a UL tag. Now I just want to create a li tag, and inside the li tag I just want to write this. Control C, paste, and this li is clickable, so I just want to pass a anchor tag. Okay, so I just want to pass an anchor and close anchor after li. Okay, perfect. And this is here I am passing a hashtag in a href and refresh this. Okay, perfect. Refresh this. Okay. Just create the same li for multiple li. मतलब कितने li चाहिए मुझे? I think I need a 6 to 7 li's. So first of all I'm just create. Okay. Refresh. These are 6 li's. I just want to inline this. So first of all I just need some more li's in here. So I just paste it, and first of all, and second I'm just pass the class inside the UL. Class is equal to ULS. Okay, perfect. So now I just want to go back to our style tag. Okay, and here I'm just call the class is a ULS. Okay. ULS. Display is a block. Okay, inline block. Display is an inline block. Refresh this. Okay. Inline block here is not applicable. ULS. I just want to inline block in the LIs. Okay. Display inline block. Perfect. Now I want to show anchor something, icons. So to just want to show icon. Just call the font awesome. See font awesome. I think not working on my web, so I just go to my Gmail. Actually, I have a font awesome kit. To search here a font awesome. Font awesome. Okay, perfect. I think I have a kit. Note down fonts awesome. Okay, perfect. First of all, I'm searching the font awesome. Login here. Okay, how can I run? start for free. Okay, perfect. Is this working? No. Sign in. Click on here, sign in. Okay. Our mail is a India launched devices करके our mail is a paste it. Okay. And sign in. Save your data. Okay. Icons. Click on icons. Search the dot. Perfect. Dot. Perfect. Copy this. Okay, copied. Already it's a copied. Okay. Inside the li, I'm just pass this. Okay. And now I just enable our kit. So where is my kit? Actually, I think this is my kit. This is my scripting of the kit. Okay, perfect. Going back to our project, footer.php, footer.blade.php. Before the body, I'm just paste this kit, refresh, and check our web page. Yeah, this is visible perfectly. So now I'm going back to our font awesome. Okay, no, I don't need to go back to font awesome. I'm already copy the font awesome dot icon. So just go back to li. Where is the li? This is the li. Copy this. Just got to select it, copy it, and paste it. Paste it. Perfect. 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 Okay. Multiple time I am write the same syntax. So when I have a category section, so it's enabling a PHP part of this code. So I need only one. This is a dummy data actually. Inside the li display is the inline block. Inside the anchor, uls anchor, text decoration is a none. Text decoration is a none. Okay. Color is a white. Color is a white. Save it, refresh it. Oh no, it's not working. Why this is not working? Color of li is a white actually. Okay, perfect. Now I want to add a padding. Margin 10 pixels.